We outnumbered. Fellas is outnumbered. We outnumbered out this bitch. Looking so beautiful today. Damn, baby. Hands on your knees, bitch. 3, 2.
Once again, we call this deal situated. If you ain't got your bottles yet, order your bottles. If you ain't been to that bar yet, get you a drink. Cause it's only gonna get more cracking. I got my brothers here. We gonna go to the moon in here. Performance coming up in just a little bit. If there's anybody out there celebrating a birthday right now, make some noise for me. On the count of 3, I want you to scream the birthday person's name, all right? I like that. Y'all was my friends, I'd be fucking proud, I swear to God. Now, if you hear with motherfuckers that you love for real, when you got a cup in your hand, put your cup in the air for that person one time. Now, loved up or passed away, put a cup in the air for that person. Rest in peace, Carter. I want you to put them cups in the air for me one time. Walk with me. Keep it going, baby, come on. I want you to turn them with your real friends right now. Hold on.